हाँ कंपटीशन नहीं है तो काम करने का मजा क्या है. I started my first cooking experiment which is years back with blasting a cooker. कुकर फट गया, 2 टुकड़े हो गए, ढक्कन कहीं, कुकर कहीं, और हम दाल चावल ढूंढ रहे. दाल चावल वो सब छत, यू नो, वुमेन से बड़ा सुपर पावर क्या हो सकता है.
Hello guys, this is Javeer Singh and today I'm joined by very talented Meghna whose Instagram name is Meghna's Food Magic, but she actually creates magic in the kitchen. Let's see how magical she'll be in this conversation. Hi Meghna, how are you?
Hi, I'm great. How are you doing?
I am good and I am genuinely looking forward for this conversation because I really watch your videos और वो एक जो transition जो वो health के बारे में वो healthy dishes आती है. So what are your thought process behind any content you put out?
यू नो जयवीर, मेरी एक पर्सनल स्टोरी रही है. इसमें वैसा था कि आई वॉज ऑलवेज वेरी ओवरवेट पर्सन एंड ये पर्सनल स्टोरी से ज़्यादा जर्नी है. So I was always like 80 kilo plus and even throughout my childhood I was an overweight kid. So after that, like when I started my makeover, reducing the weight, and सबसे बड़ी बात क्या होती है कि weight तो चलो एक बार reduce हो जाता है, but to maintain that weight almost मुझे 8 साल हो चुके हैं and I am still on the same weight. I don't want to say मेरा वजन कितना है, but still it's the same weight I'm maintaining. So तब मुझे लगा कि इफ आई कैन डू इट, माई व्यूअर्स ऑल्सो कैन डू इट, एंड दैट्स माई कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन कि जो मैं एक्चुअली खाती हूँ, जो मैं मेरे डाइट में इंक्लूड करती हूँ, आई थॉट लेट मी शेयर दैट विद माई व्यूअर्स. एंड आफ्टर लाइक reaching my age, generally what you feel or what your priority is the good health, maintaining the good health. So that's my contribution to the society.
You know, as I read about you on internet, you were in a banking sector, banking field. So how does that happen? Because banking, we talk about the intellectual level of these people, ठीक है ना, और फिर content creation all together पूरा ही change. How does that happen?
आई थिंक ये स्टोरी मैं बहुत बार बता चुकी हूँ मेरे व्यूअर्स को, पर जो भी मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं, जिनको नहीं पता है, तो मैं कहूँगी कि 14 साल मैंने बैंकिंग सेक्टर में काम.
So long?
Yes, 14 साल मैंने बैंकिंग सेक्टर में काम किया है. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई बिकेम प्रेग्नेंट एंड आई हैड अ बेबी, एंड व्हेन आई हैड माय डॉटर, she was born with lot of complications. So जनरली वॉट हैपन्स लाइक, आज तो चलो बहुत ईजी हो गया है कि यू हायर समबडी एंड दे विल टेक केयर ऑफ योर बेबी एंड देन दे कैन गो फॉर वर्क. बट व्हेन आई हैड ऑलमोस्ट 18 years बैक, अंदर से वो फील नहीं आ रही थी मुझे कि आई शुड गो बैक टू वर्क, लीव माई डॉटर बिहाइंड. So I said, okay, fine. If this is the destiny, if this is God has created something for me, then I'll accept it. And I am strong believer of one line that जो भी ऊपर वाला करता है वो अच्छे के लिए ही करता है. And that is what has happened. और मेरी डॉटर आई और आई नॉट से कि इट वॉज वेरी ईजी. ऑफकोर्स 14 साल से जो काम कर रहा है उसके लिए डिफ़िकल्टी होता है घर पे इस तरह से बैठना. आई वेंट इनटू अ डिप्रेशन, बट फिर ऐसा लगा कि चलो भगवान ने यही 4 दीवार मेरे लिए बनाई हैं, तो लेट मी क्रिएट समथिंग आउट ऑफ दिस ओनली. और बैठना तो था नहीं, तो मैंने बोला कौन सा कोना घर का सबसे क्रिएटिव होगा जहाँ पे आई कैन एक्चुअली क्रिएट समथिंग, और वो मुझे किचन दिखा. एंड टुडे दिस इज वेयर आई एम.
You know, if we open Instagram, so every next poster is a creator. I feel like creating content for myself as well. You know, abhi sab hai. Do you feel pressure to like to be in that race?
I will not say pressure, and I will say that कि you are very right. यहाँ पे अभी आप देखेंगे तो हर कोई content creator है, because सबके पास स्मार्टफोन है, एंड सब I say कि youth or maybe 80% of people who has gone into a content creation is their attraction part is कि यहाँ से पैसे भी मिलते हैं.
True.
ओके, आई विल नॉट लाई, हाँ मिलते हैं पैसे, बट जनरली पीपल स्टार्ट फॉर दैट के पैसे आ जाएंगे या हम बहुत सारे पैसे कमा लेंगे, क्योंकि अगर वो कर सकता है तो हम भी कर ही सकते हैं. So that's why we have lot of content creator. Every other person I'll meet is a content creator, but I'll not feel pressure, because what I feel to stay relevant in this industry, it is like कि रोज आपको कुछ ना कुछ क्रिएट करना पड़ता है, रोज आप ऑडियंस को कुछ ना कुछ आप उसको फीड करना पड़ता है. सो इफ़ यू कैन डू इट, इट्स फाइन. एंड हाँ, कंपटीशन नहीं है तो काम करने का मजा क्या है.
बट when you started your journey, did you have any idea कि भाई पैसे भी होंगे, मुझे brands भी आएंगे, और you just started it?
Trust me, when I started, okay fine, let me put it in this way that मैं स्मार्टफोन जनरेशन से बिलोंग नहीं करती हूँ, मैं उससे की पहले की जनरेशन से बिलोंग करती हूँ. सो प्लीज गाइज डोंट थिंक दैट कि मैं विंटेज हूँ. आई मीन आई एम नॉट विंटेज.
No, you look so young.
That's so sweet. But I am not, and मैं इतनी विंटेज भी नहीं हूँ.
You being very honest, I'm not.
Now if I tell you that I belong to a pager wala generation, then you will realize. Yeah, so when I was growing up in my teenage years, the pager got introduced, so I'm from the pagers generation. So I'll say that when I started, there was no such idea of it कि in fact when I started, there were hardly any people that this name was also not that content creator. Okay, there was just like that कि हाँ चलो कैमरा लेके शुरू हो गए, और इतने अच्छे स्मार्टफोन भी नहीं थे कि तब था के स्मार्टफोन से, हाँ नॉर्मल फोन थे.
Clarity, we can shoot
yes,
from phones.
Yes,
only.
yes. So when I started, we invested hell lot of money into this cameras and lot of things, and nothing, दूर तक ये ख्याल नहीं था that we will have that brands आएगी और पैसे आएंगे. It was just that I always enjoyed cooking. एंड इफ़ यू विल सी, अगर आप मुझे बहुत पहले से फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो यू विल सी कि मैं बहुत सारी बेकिंग डिशेस दिखाती थी, और आई यूज़ टू एंजॉय बेकिंग. मेरे फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, बेटी की बर्थडे केक्स में बनाती थी, एंड देयर आई स्टार्टेड. और दूर दूर तक ये ख्याल नहीं था, और तब तो था भी नहीं, एटलीस्ट फॉर लाइक कपल ऑफ ईयर्स. माय जर्नी, नो, there was no brand, nothing. It was just our own money we used to put it in that. It's just like a hobby that
passion.
You know, yeah, the passion you are giving a
Enjoying
shape.
something.
Yeah, it was purely like that. No idea. At least for 3-4 years, I'll say there was no brand, there was nothing. I was just doing it for like satisfaction that I am.
But फिर आए तो इतने आए. It is
फिर
difficult to
yes,
अभी
फिर जब
grasp.
कहानी शुरू हुई तो एक अलग मोड़ ले लिया. जैसे ऐसा होता है ना कि सफर पे निकलते जाते हैं विदाउट थिंकिंग डेस्टिनेशन, बस ऐसा है कि बैक पैक करनी है और सफर को एंजॉय करना है. तो मेरी कहानी भी वही है, बैक पैक कर ली थी, सफर एंजॉय करते करते निकल पड़े. कहीं कहीं पे रुके, कहीं अच्छी जगह मिली, कहीं कहीं पे बहुत बुरी जगह मिली, कहीं कहीं पे ऐसा लगा कि बस यहीं पे ही रुकना है. पर मैं हूँ, रुकना तो है नहीं. बहुत अच्छी जगहों के भी पीछे छोड़ दिया है और अभी भी जर्नी चालू ही है.
What is like you talk about कि कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन या चीजें थी if like everybody wanted to give up in those situations, same for you. Like what is that one motivation that keeps Meghna going?
ऐसा ही से कि एक तो मुझे खाना बनाना बहुत पसंद है, और दूसरा ये भी है कि व्यूअर से जो मुझे प्यार मिलता है ना. I'll tell you something, कोरोना के टाइम पे और इवन नाउ ऑल्सो वेयर द थिंग्स आर प्रिटी नॉर्मल नाउ, टच वुड, काफ़ी ठीक हो गई है, बट जिस तरह से व्यूअर्स का प्यार मिलता है दैट मेक्स मी गोइंग एवरी डे. यू नो, कैसे कैसे मैसेजेस आते हैं. इफ़ आई टेल यू, समटाइम्स यू विल फील कि ये कुछ भी बोल रही है, बट दैट्स द फैक्ट दैट ऐसे मैसेजेस आते हैं. One father wrote to me that I lost my wife in Corona time, and I have mentally disabled,
Conditions,
yes,
yeah.
that condition child, and that child gets hyper on and off, and only your videos and voice makes him calm, and he picked up the cooking. Help करनी पड़ती है, किचन में खड़ा रहता है, but that's the time he look forward in a day. So thank you so much, and I have no words to thank you that what you have done it with my son is just like, you know,
Yeah, it's a very inspiring
yeah,
story.
yeah. So हमको तो पता भी नहीं है ना, I'm sitting in Mumbai, this thing is happening in Indore. But when you hear this kind of story, that okay, fine, how many hearts you are touching, and how many people's life you are changing, or your contribution to somebody's life is, when you hear this, कभी भी थक के बैठ जाते हैं तो such kind of messages ना, it gives you a strength that, you know, get up and do it. So,
You know, when we talk about social media, it's all number game.
don't ask.
Yeah.
That's true.
You know, I have spoken and discussed with many creators.
Yes.
They mentioned कि जी रील नहीं चला तो हमने तो delete कर
हाँ,
दिया.
हाँ.
They were being very honest,
Yes.
and kind of them to accept
Yes,
that.
yes.
You know, have ever this happened with Meghna?
See, I'll not lie. I'm human, and when I started, I told you, when I started, it was a different time. But now, today's time, yes, number does matter. But I will not say that I go crazy with numbers. You can see on my page, some reels are doing fantastic. Their numbers are
They are going
amazing.
viral.
Yes, they have gone viral. But some reels, it happens that, you know, when you try to do something new, when you try to serve something new to your same audience, sometimes they accept, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they feel like, you know, I come to your page only to have a healthy food, and this is what you are doing is not nice or something. I'm not saying anything vulgar, but कभी कुछ ऐसा भी होता है कि जैसे फन रील रख दी या कुछ रख दिया, so it happens कि वो नहीं चलता है. बट यस, मैं ह्यूमन हूँ. पहले ऐसा था कि नंबर्स गेम में बहुत बिलीव करती थी, पागलों की तरह भागती थी, बट इवेंचुअली आई रियलाइज दैट नंबर्स रील कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. It's like, you know, if you are enjoying your work, if you feel that you are giving your 100%, if you feel that this is the thing what you want to do, then please stop watching the numbers and keep doing the thing. ट्रस्ट मी, जर्नी चालू रखोगे तो ही डेस्टिनेशन पर पहुंचोगे. अगर जर्नी ही छोड़ दोगे तो यू विल बी नो वेयर, यू विल बी स्टैंडिंग ऑन द रोड. सो numbers really doesn't matter. And number से क्या होता है ना, when you see somebody else's number, eventually what happens, you are not stopping that person, right? That person is doing his work. What is happening is you are spoiling your mental health. If your mind is not correct, you will not work. If you will not work, the page will suffer, your brand will suffer. So end of the day, watching somebody's number and feeling bad about it, eventually नुकसान आपका ही हो रहा है. Other person is flourishing because he is not watching into your numbers, or he is not into this number game. So that person is just doing his work. So that's what I feel. And ये सीखा है eventually. So that's what I said कि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी. I was also into this क्योंकि नुकसान मेरा ही हो रहा था. So I have completely, if you'll see my personal phone, there is no Insta app.
Really?
Yes. In
How
my
come?
in my personal phone, I don't have an Insta app. I don't have any other app. I don't have anything. What I can do is WhatsApp.
That is something very surprising.
Yes. And सिर्फ WhatsApp अभी मैंने डाला है, मतलब वो डाउनलोड किया है. It's been 3 years. Otherwise, my phone, I used to use it only to call my people and receive the call. That's it. That has given
But that
me
is
a
too much difficult to उसी lifestyle में रहना और चलना.
I don't use, because see what happens now, you get dragged into this thing so much that if you can see, like जैसे अभी मैं अंधेरी से यहाँ तक आई हूँ, so it was like 1 hour ride, okay? So immediately your temptation is कि मैं वो ही करती रहूँ, देखती रहूँ क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है, where I don't want to put my brain all the time because the creative mind also needs some kind of rest to your mind so that you can create something new. If you keep on having a hawk eye into everybody's work, what they are doing, what is happening, or maybe your own work and how many numbers I have got, how many comments I have got, you cannot think. So, give your mind some rest. So that is what I do.
Meghna, we talked about comments.
Yes.
तो वो दो तरह की होती हैं,
बिल्कुल,
नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव,
Positive.
और नेगेटिव भी उस लेवल की
Yes,
एब्सोल्युटली
yes.
इररिलेवेंट,
Yes.
ये क्या ही बनाया है,
Yes.
व्हाट यू कुक, यू डू नॉट नो योर
Yes.
जॉब. सो योर स्ट्रेटजी फॉर मतलब लाइक डीलिंग विद दीज, डू यू ब्लॉक देम?
सी आई टेल यू, यहाँ पे भी मैं कहूँगी कि आई विल नॉट लाई. पहले बहुत अफेक्ट होता था, रोना भी आ जाता था, लगता भी था कि इतना तो क्या मैंने कर दिया है कि ये ऐसी कमेंट्स आ रही है, डू आई डिजर्व दिस. एंड देन उसके बाद वो इतना अफेक्ट होता था कि लगता था कि चलो बंद ही कर दो, कुछ नहीं करना है, एंड ऑल दैट थिंग यूज्ड टू हैपन. बट इवेंचुअली आई हैव रियलाइज कि ऐसी कमेंट आने का रीज़न ना, देयर आर ओनली कपल ऑफ रीज़न. First is that person must be having some issue.
Through something.
Yeah, going through something. So, ऐसी comment को specially मैं I don't even block. I reply them. Can I give you a nice warm hug? And sometimes, yeah, trust me. Sometimes they actually reply that I'm so sorry for what I have wrote, and please forgive me. I was going through a rough patch or rough time, and वो anger कहीं पे निकलना था और वो आप पे निकल गया. They do that. Or sometimes it happens that they want to do exactly the same thing but they are not able to do it. Okay. And third reason होता है कि it's just simply jealousy. See, in my case, what has happened that a lady who was a homemaker, and from there she has come here. So some homemaker, they appreciate that, they feel very nice that okay fine, she's just a simple homemaker and what she has done, it is like inspirational. But some people feel that ke वही है ना कि मैं ऊपर नहीं चढ़ी तो तुझे भी खींच के नीचे.
True, I myself have observed that.
Yeah, so some people do it for that. But mostly I write to them that do you need any help from my side? I'm ready to do it. And trust me, I don't want to blow my trumpet, but when I write such kind of things, see, I'm a very small personality. I am not very huge that I can help many people, but or help them in a big way. But in my capacity, how much I can do, I really like to do that. And when I wrote to a couple of ladies, when I go to their page, what I see is, yes, they have put some cooking videos, but in that small kitchen with whatever equipment they had or whatever vessels they
Ingredients.
had. Yes, so it was very messy, and it's a ghar ka hi vessels, because when you are doing it on the camera, it's not that simple. We invest in lot of vessels, ingredients,
Team, you need
Yes.
a lot of admin
Yes.
process. It's a
Yes.
huge process.
Yeah. So when I asked them, they actually said that can you provide us some good vessels so our video also looks nice, and
aesthetic.
I have sent them.
So great
Yeah,
of you.
yeah. So it started with the hate comments, but eventually it has turned into something else, and उसमें से 2 लोग आज मेरे साथ काम करते हैं.
Oh, great.
Yes.
Yeah, if you have to give one message to such trolls, please do that.
See, this is what I would like to say कि अगर इस धरती पे ये हो सकता है कि किसी को नीचे गिरा के या किसी को बुरा बोल के आप ऊपर उठ सकते हो, तो आई एम रेडी टू बी पुल डाउन. मैं तैयार हूँ. अगर मुझे गिरा के आप ऊपर चढ़ सकते हो या आप वहाँ पहुँच सकते हो जहाँ पे आपको पहुँचना है, तो मैं तैयार हूँ. पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऐसा होता नहीं है. ऊपर आने के लिए आपको आपकी जर्नी बिल्कुल करनी पड़ेगी, तभी आप आ पाओगे. तो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू से, दैट रादर देन फोकसिंग ऑन टू पुलिंग डाउन समबडी, it's better to put your energy into your own stuff, that how you can be a bigger person. तो एनर्जी उसमें डालिए कि आप बड़े बन सके, ऊपर उठ सके, आपके ड्रीम्स को आप पूरा कर सके, क्योंकि हमारे पास एनर्जी तो इतनी ही है, तो इट्स अप टू यू कि आपको कहाँ डालनी है, नेगेटिव साइड और पॉजिटिव साइड.
Like you are absolutely in the kitchen.
Yes.
You like to cook for yourself?
Yes, यहाँ पे I'll tell you that most of the time it happens that आप इतना किचन में होते हो, इतना खाना बनाते रहते हो, so that time it happens that अरे यार अब खुद के लिए ना कुछ नहीं बनाना है, then you will feel के जो भी है आप खा लो. Sometimes you feel like कि चलो बिस्किट का पैकेट या हेल्पर बना देगी, या see if that helper is there with you for a longer time, or if she knows that what exactly like what I have. मेरे पास एक मेरी ताई है जो मेरे पास ऑलमोस्ट 14-15 सालों से है, सो शी एग्जैक्टली नो कि मुझे
अकॉर्डिंग टू मूड एज वेल.
यस यस, तो वो कभी कभार बना लेते हैं, बट ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, आई रियली लाइक टू कुक फॉर माई सेल्फ. एंड आई टेल यू समथिंग एल्स दैट व्हेन आई गो ऑन हॉलीडे, जैसे अभी रिसेंटली मैं लैंडोर गई थी, सो आई नेवर गो फॉर hotel room or 5-star hotel room where you are just into a one room and there is just one kettle where you can you know
make coffee
or green tea या
Yeah.
पानी उबाल सकते हो. I literally go for the house stay where they provide you the kitchen also, और मैं हॉलीडे पे जाके भी कभी कभार खुद के लिए खाना बना लेती हूँ. So that's how I am.
Okay. Any cooking disaster you have made?
On and off चलता ही रहता है. It's like, you know, I started my first cooking experiment, which is years back, with blasting a cooker.
Really?
Yes. My first time cooking experience was I blasted the cooker. Being a Gujarati family bahu, the first day, what you have to do is you have to cook something for the entire family.
Yeah.
And my mother-in-law said the previous night that you have to make something tomorrow. So I was which was very nervous, so I couldn't sleep whole night. And I was just thinking that कि she knew that कि मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता है, and फिर भी कुछ तो बनाना है. And she said don't disturb me because I am super tired, so I will wake up after 9 o'clock. So I knew that कि ये तो पूरा trap है मेरे लिए. So I called my mother in the morning and I said कि चलो पहले एटलीस्ट दाल चावल बनाने से शुरुआत करते हैं, that will give me, because ऐसा होता है ना, एक चीज़ सही बनी तो फिर the confidence will come that कि फिर बाकी की भी बन जाएगी. So she said that कुकर में दाल चावल धो के आप डाल दो और 3 सीटी आने तक उबाल लो. मैंने बोला ठीक है, ये तो सिंपल है, इतना तो मैं कर ही लूँगी. दाल चावल धोए, अच्छे से कुकर में डाल दिए, और फिर मैंने कुकर सीटी लगाने के लिए रख दिया.
पानी नहीं डाला?
पानी ही नहीं डाला. I forgot to put the water because my mother said दाल चावल धो के डाल दो. So मैंने दाल चावल धो के उसको अलग अलग कंटेनर में रख दिया. So इतनी बुद्धि तो चलाई कि मैंने अलग अलग कंटेनर में डाल दिया, पर पानी ही नहीं डाला था. And the first there was no city. After 10 minutes it blasted और दाल कुकर फट गया, 2 टुकड़े हो गए थे. It was not that small thing कि वो कुकर का वाल्व मेल्ट हो गया. ढक्कन कहीं, कुकर कहीं, और हम दाल चावल ढूंढ रहे. दाल चावल वो ऑन द छत, सीलिंग पे चिपक गए थे. एंड जो वो धमाका हुआ था, my mother-in-law, she also woke up early with that dhamaka, and she clearly told my husband that ये हमें मार डालेगी, ये इसने कहीं सुपारी ली है हमारे. So that was the disaster. And आज भी होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होते हैं, because kitchen is a one place where you create so many things. So
But it felt like खाली कुकर गैस पे चढ़ा दिया.
yes,
है ना?
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, so you often collaborate with other creators, food
Yes.
creators.
Yes.
Which one is your the most favorite and why?
Okay, I'll ask you one question. You answer that. Okay.
You are putting me on place.
No, I'll tell you because this question feels exactly the same thing. आप मम्मा से ज्यादा प्यार करते हो या पापा से?
Next question, please.
See? That's how I feel. सभी प्यारे हैं, सबसे कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. Whether it's, if you have seen, I have collaborated with the Ba from the Master
Yeah,
Chef.
exactly.
So
I have
that
seen.
age group to a very very young people, and I learned so many things from everyone.
बट एक थोड़ा फेवरेटिज्म या सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर होता है, एक वाइब यू कैन से जिससे मैच होती है. Like everybody is good. I admit that you want to be diplomatic.
Yeah, so-
just but
It's not a diplomatic, but I enjoy. I'll say with my daughter most because I make so many videos with her, and
it's all in family.
yeah, I mean, charity starts from home.
Okay, so you know, what's your take on culinary based reality shows? Can we someday expect you there?
अरे यार, ये क्वेश्चन तो चैनल को पूछना चाहिए ना. ये
Okay, I
क्वेश्चन.
hope makers will be listening to you.
But I don't know whether it's a controversial to say or not. But what I have, and I will share you my experience also. What I have, what answer I have got it from long time back from the one very high level person from the channel. First of all, what I feel is cooking channel is mostly dominated by the North Indian people. If you'll see. Most of the chef they are North Indian people because
I'm North Indian.
yes. So somewhere what has happened that nothing against of north side or the west side or the south side or the Gujarat side, nothing against of anyone, please don't take me wrong. But what I feel, I may be wrong also, that this area is very dominated by the North Indian, and that's what people, they think in their mind that majority India understands this only. That's not true, basically. So that is what one thing. And yes, long time back I have approached to I don't want to take the channel's name,
Yeah,
but
cool,
yes,
cool.
I have approached and I have given that very nice answer that your diction is very Gujarati.
Really?
Yes. So, okay, fine. I accept. Trust me, I'm not saying no.
But that's something new I heard.
I'm not saying no. I said, if you will hire a South Indian chef,
Employee, yeah.
South Indian chef, what will happen? He cannot talk like North Indian. Okay? When you hire a North Indian person, he will talk like, and he will sound also like a North side.
True.
The South Indian person will sound like he has come from South. That's the connect with the people. If you want to hire the North person, and you want him to cook the khandvi, you want him to cook the handvo, and want him to cook the idli, dosa, or lemon rice, or anything, then it's fine. But then don't say that we are here to show everything from all the region and the local food.
But how come the connection of diction and language with cooking?
Yeah,
I am from North India.
Yeah.
I like हम kitchen में cook करने जाए. I do not know even your masalas. You do
Yes.
not know mine.
Yes.
Maybe you know, like you are in the food business.
Yeah.
Just generally I'm
Yes,
saying.
yes.
But cooking has nothing to do with diction, accent. You know, I can cook something which is your dish,
Yeah.
but you can cook something better which is my dish.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
that is surprising.
Yeah, so I have been clearly told that your diction is very Gujarati and work on that. And I said, but I can cook, or maybe you are not looking for
But you are not
somebody.
there for a news anchor interview,
Yes.
like work on your
Yeah.
diction or spellings and all that.
So
that's weird.
That's what I said. Then okay, fine. You hire a teacher who can speak very well, but it's okay if he cannot cook.
Okay.
So choice
That's
is
you were bang
yours.
on.
Yeah.
Okay. So you know, one piece of advice you would like to give people in the food business.
Okay.
Anyway, like वो content creator हो सकते हैं, they are running restaurants, whatever way.
Yeah. Okay, first of all, nobody needs advice from anybody. Okay, because right now the era or time we have, we are very smart people, so we don't need advice from anybody. But one thing I would love to say that, और मैं ये बहुत friendly way में कह रही हूँ, that perseverance and keep going nature, please maintain that. That will help you to reach somewhere. If you'll think that okay fine, today I want to create something and you have started doing it, 2 किया 4 किया वीडियो किया, उसके बाद you will say कि चलो ब्रेक लेते हैं, चलो घूम के आते हैं, चलो ये करते हैं. Don't do that. This is very demanding job. If you want to flourish in this area, which is content creating area, I'm not saying that give your 24 hours into this, but yes, keep your audience engaged, give them not every day, then 3 days a week or something, but please keep them busy, keep them keep serving them some or other thing. If you think that कि आज करूँगा फिर ब्रेक, फिर ये आ गया, शादी आ गया, दोस्त का बर्थडे, इसका शादी, इसका उसका, एंड देन 2-3 हफ्ते गायब हो गए, don't do that. If you are into this, then give your 110% rather than your 98%. That's what I would love to say.
One advice for budding creators, food creators.
Okay, fine. What I do, I will say, not that I want to tell them something. What I do is first what I see before creating any recipe, whether it's affordable or not. Okay.
You always calculate that?
Yes, always. That's what I said. I will only talk about myself, that what I do. Affordable and available. And third thing is seasonal. So these 3 things is my priority. That things should be affordable, the recipe should be affordable, the ingredients should be easily available. It should not be like something you have got it from some part of the world. Yes, like some part of the world you will get it, and then you are, because end of the day you are serving everybody. You are not restricting that my content will only watched by the elite people, so it's watched by so many. Yes,
everybody is consuming it.
Yes. So affordability, availability and seasonal is the must. You cannot I'm sorry, I'm not talking anything negative, but what I see is people have started putting mango, ripe mango, paka hua normal mango ka recipes from
like month back.
Like from the last month what I see. Yeah. So I feel that you can afford 300 rupees ka ek mango, but the normal people can only
around June.
Yes, only afford after April. And the nice mango will only available because वो seasonal है ना, वो सर फाड़ने वाली गर्मी आएगी तो मैंगो में मिठास आएगी. अभी ना हम गर्मी में है ना हम सर्दी में है, हम we are somewhere in between. So what mango we are getting is first of all very expensive, and it's beswad. There is no sweet. Yeah, you try. It's no sweet at all. So what is the point? First of all, you are wasting your time, energy, your recipe also. So that's what I feel, that we should not do that.
So it's a rapid fire round, and not a rapid fire round. You can take your time.
Okay.
Aram se.
Right.
Okay?
Sure.
So if you could ask one food creator one question, who would you ask and what?
Who would I ask? I don't know, but one thing I want to ask, भाई ये शाम का नाश्ता कब बंद होने वाला है? I am so tired of watching every recipe शाम का नाश्ता, and I feel like कि भाई
Can't stop laughing.
भाई कोई नाम दे दो रेसिपी को, या तो फिर बोल देंगे इसका नाम आप डिसाइड कर लो. अरे पर ये शाम का नाश्ता प्लीज बंद कर दो. I don't want to watch शाम का नाश्ता.
Okay.
But the recipes, I'm not commenting on recipes, I'm commenting on the way
presentation.
They're presenting,
the voiceover they are giving.
Yes,
Yeah.
प्लीज रेसिपीज अच्छी होती है, कभी कभी उसमें से भी इंस्पिरेशन मिल जाता है, बट दे कॉल ऑल देयर रेसिपीज आज बना रहे हैं शाम का नाश्ता, मजेदार सा शाम का नाश्ता और टेस्टी शाम का नाश्ता. बट प्लीज नो मोर शाम का नाश्ता, कोई नाम दे दो.
Genuinely, if you could swap your life with one food creator, who would you choose and why?
Food creator, see, I have never
Just take creator.
Yes, if it's a just a creator, I would like to swipe with the Modi ji, because not because he's a prime minister, but the way that पर्सनालिटी इज, जो भी करते हैं वायरल होता है, जो भी करते हैं बैंग ऑन होता है, हाउ
द इन्फ्लुएंस यू,
द वे ही इन्फ्लुएंस पीपल, चाहे वो मन की बात हो, चाहे अभी हम नेशनल क्रिएटर्स अवार्ड में गए थे, द वे ही वाज सेइंग, एंड दैट मैन,
दैट ऑरा ऑल टुगेदर,
एंड दैट मैन हैज, you can talk, discuss, hear anything from that man and you will feel like, oh my god, he's the king of influencer, like you know, he's the bob of everyone. So I would love to do it, because उसके दिमाग में घुसने का चांस मिलेगा.
If you be Modi ji for a day, what would you change?
I don't have to do anything, you know, उन्होंने अपनी स्पीच में ही बोला था, and that was like that's exactly my feeling is कि उन्होंने कितनी अच्छी बात कही थी कि पहले जब हम देखते थे तो हर दुकान पे लिखा हुआ होता था कि यहाँ पे टेस्टी फूड मिलता है, बट नाउ व्हाट वी थिंक इज के मी माई सेल्फ कम फर्स्ट. ओके, सो मी माई सेल्फ का मतलब क्या होता है, मी एंड माई हेल्थ. सो उन्होंने कितनी अच्छी बात बोली कि अब हर दुकान पे लिखा होता है यहाँ हेल्दी खाना मिलता है. I'm not against of samosa kachori, guys, please have it once a week, cheat day सबका होता है, have it as much as you want, but बाकी के हफ्ते के 6 दिन अपनी बॉडी को टॉर्चर ना करे, थोड़ा हेल्दी खाना खाए, और अगर 6 दिन हेल्दी खाना खाओगे ना तो यू विल एंजॉय दैट समोसा कचौड़ी मोर, बिकॉज यू आर क्रेविंग फॉर इट.
So any weirdest rumor you have heard about yours?
Yes, recently 3 दिन back, I mean 3 days back, एक सिंपल सी पिक्चर पोस्ट की थी मेरी जिसमें मेरा हैंडबैग दिख रहा था, एंड somebody wrote that मेघना जी का हैंडबैग ही 4 लाख का है, एंड आई विश होता पर था नहीं. एंड
कितने का था? बट
it was somewhere around 12,000 or something.
The difference was huge.
Yeah. So और उसके नीचे धड़ाधड़ इतनी कमेंट्स आ गई थी कि my God, these people they are just into showing off that ये, और मैंने लिखा भी था नहीं है भाई 1 लाख का, 12,000 का, बिल का कॉपी भी भेजा because it was the new one. But yeah.
Okay, so you know, if you are blessed with superpower one day,
yes,
what you want and how would you use it?
I am already blessed with superpower. Okay, God has created me woman. Like you know, woman से बड़ा superpower क्या हो सकता है? We all women are blessed with superpower. That's what I feel. That we take care of the house, we are homemakers, we are binders, we keep everything together, we do so many things, still we go for the work, we are the engine of the house or heart of the house. So we are all blessed with the superpower, and I don't need any other superpower because God is generous and He has made me with superwoman.
Any weird thing that has ever happened to you while shooting?
Weird, yeah, matlab if you consider this weird, is it happens, like you know, I would love to share one experience. One day we shot, generally now we have reduced that, हम एक दिन में 2 या 3 रेसिपी करते हैं, बट बिफोर एज आई टोल्ड यू कि पहले तो खुद के पैसे डाल के वो कैमरा वगैरह सब लाना पड़ता था. So that time we used to think कि जितना मैक्सिमम कर सके उतना अच्छा है, एंड वन डे वी शॉट ऑलमोस्ट 8 to 10 रेसिपीज, छोटी वाली थी जो हो गई थी. और सब शूटिंग होने के बाद लास्ट में जब हम पैकअप कर रहे थे और उसने बोला आके सिंपल तरीके से, सॉरी मैडम मेमोरी स्टिकी नहीं थी उधर. And that person was so confident और उसने सारा शूट किया था. और हम जब चेक भी करते हैं तो क्या चेक, जैसे मैं फिर से कैमरा के पीछे जाके चेक करूंगी तो वही चेक करूंगी कि फ्रेम कैसी है, लाइटिंग कैसी है, हाँ मतलब साउंड आ रही है, खाना प्रॉपर दिख रहा है कि नहीं, उतना ही हम इतना being a person who is standing in this side of the camera, which is in front of the camera, वो इतना ही चेक करता है. They will not go into a detail कि मेमोरी स्टिक है कि नहीं या बैटरी है कि नहीं, ये सब हम नहीं करते हैं.
That is not your business.
We trust them. Yeah. So after like we packed up, I washed my face, I did everything. So finally आके simple इतना innocent लड़का आके बोलता है, मैडम एक छोटी सी गड़बड़ हो गई है. मैंने बोला हाँ बताओ. मुझे लगा कि छोटी सी गड़बड़ क्या होगी ना,
शूटिंग वगैरह में
हाँ
होगा।
मतलब ऐसा होगा कि भाई you know कुछ
Blur वगैरह
हो
something,
गया,
हाँ।
हाँ या साउंड इतना
हाँ।
ठीक नहीं आया तो इतना फिर से दे दो. पर it was just a छोटी सी गड़बड़, कुछ रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुआ था. Camera was just like that. So
Thank you so much. It was a delightful conversation. Thank you so much.
pleasure is all mine. Thank you
you.
so much for having me.